Yeah, he should be on there.
I would check those tables because I think they're doing the lower classes. Not the lower classes, but because I know those are doing like that. Thank you. I hate when it's you. Oh, head throw. Oh, I should throw. Oh, watch that throw. They wouldn't let us bring food in here. I know. That's what we did too. I'm get 45. I know. And then I'm like, where are the tables? I know. I had my friend and her dad smuggle this in. Would you like one? They're good. I know, but it upsets me when they let they don't let the table workers take in food because I'm like, we're working at a table almost the whole day. The best you can, but they do feed us, so that's understandable. Caution, it's basically where they either they're not in the right positioning. Yeah, see, he didn't have his hands and his knees in the right spot. Or also, there can be a caution on the guy on top if they don't put it in the right position. Two, it's okay, Serena, you can go. There you go. Time! Oh, just go in next time. We'll just go in next time. It's okay. My throwing is the same way. It's okay. It's okay. No, I remember one time. Okay, it's not even. Trust me, I've seen worse because one time, this boy hit the wrestlers. One time this boy, instead of hitting the ref, hit the wrestlers. And then our guy got up and was like, what the heck? Oh, he's locking hands. Wait, who was that one with hands on? Who was that on? I think that was on. Was that on red? Okay. I'll ask him after. It's okay. Who is the one on? There we go. Results.
Right there's good.